Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can get that extra 300 shells by completing the 2025 Dress to Impress Summer Quest Part 1. So I actually just saw this like a few hours ago, and if you go to your daily tasks and go to seasonal, you'll see you'll get 300 plus shells, 300 shells by beating the Summer Quest Chapter 1. Select claim, and now you have 300 more shells. I just realized this like an hour ago, so yeah, that is how you can get more shells by completing the Summer Quest on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!